I want to tell everybody that if you like what I'm doing here, there is exclusive content available on my Patreon page. I just posted up a link to the Patreon in the comments down below. And if and here it is. Let me see if I can show it here. Patreon.com/bowwowbills. And for as little as $5 a month, you guys can gain exclusive content on there. And just want to say thank you to everybody that signed up. You're really helping me out, and this is something that I really like doing, man. I love to create this content. I love to have conversations.